Hello guys, this is Ash Srivastava. Welcome to RoboZozo. Today I'm going to explain or show you about Greek mythology, and also going to show you all the three stages: the primordial, the Titans, and the Olympians. So the primordial, chaos, the void. Before going to the primordial, first we will go to this both gods. And Anke, the mother of destiny, and belong before the time. Cronus, the father of time, belong before the time. Why I have written belong before the time? Because the Gaia, the daughter of these both Cronus and Ananke, was the Mother Earth actually, and after the Mother Earth was built, then the time was started. So these all gods have given time that dash to dash BC or CC, but these were both were belong before time. So after starting the primordial, chaos, the void, Gaia, the Mother Earth, daughter of the Ananke and Cronus, Terra, Mother Earth, and the second was Tartarus, the pit of the underworld, and third was Erebus, the darkness god, and fourth was Nyx, the night god, and the end one was Eros Elder. Eros Elder never married to anyone and had not any child, but Eros Elder when dissolved, he was the god of love and procreation, and when he dissolved, he came out with two more gods, which was Physis and Thesis. Physis means nature, you can say the love becomes the nature, and Thesis means creation. But as he was the god of love and procreation, so these were when he dissolved, he been made to up these both gods, and after that the Tartarus, the real god of the underworld. The first, you can say, Tartarus and Gaia married with each other and gave birth to many sons and daughters. Uh, these were actually demons, you can say, because Cerberus, the three-headed dog, Hydra, the six or seven-headed snake, serpent, you can say. The Hydra and the Cerberus is only the Sphinx is also very popular because Sphinx is having a head of a lion, and Hydra was having 6 to 7 heads, and if one head is being cutted off, then two more head growth. And Cerberus was a dog of three-headed. He was very loyal to Hades, the god of underworld, and whenever any living person enter the underworld, then Cerberus would guard the underworld. And after that, Erebus and Nyx married with each other, the darkness god and the night god. They gave birth to Charon, the ferryman to the underworld. Charon was also seen in the movie Percy Jackson, the Lightning Thief. When they gone to Hollywood, the Percy and his friends gave him some gold coins, and Charon take him to the underworld. This is the only ferryman to the underworld and only the way. And Ether and Hemera, day and light. These were the god and goddesses, which was the daughter and son of Erebus and Nyx. They then married with each other and gave birth to a daughter named of Sea of Goddesses. And next god when dissolved, then he being came up to these many gods, and these all gods were the sign of, you can say, bad point, because Moros, the doom, or all give a sign of all give a sign of some massacre or something, because like Moros, doom, Momus, blame, apart, decide, violent death, and dead age and all, strife. And after that, when Gaia give birth to three more sons, the main eldest, on which the Titans and Olympians were standard of, were the Uranus, Oreo, and Pontus. Oreo was also a great god. He was the god of the mountains, but he was not known after that as much as these all, because Oreo had never married with each other and was also not praised by anyone. And then he dissolved into Nesoi, the son of islands, and Uranus and Pontus the sea god, and Uranus the father of sky. Gaia and Uranus married with each other and give birth to titans. All the 12 titans were the son and daughter of Uranus and Gaia. And except that, in between they also got six more sons, which were Cyclops, Gigantes, and all. Hecatoncheires. On this, the Zeus and the Titan story is headed off after this, and he was a 50-head monster. He was very Cyclops and Hecatoncheires were are very famous. 50-headed monster and one-eyed giant. After that, Pontus and Thales married with each other and gave birth to Thamus, the sea god, Phausius, sea god, and Ceto, the sea goddesses. It is not mentioned here, but Ceto is the sea goddesses, and both of the sea god and goddesses gave birth to these many child, three childs. And Thamos didn't marry with each other, but dissolved into Ares and Hippomenes, and Phorcys and Ceto married with each other and gave birth to four child, which was Graia, Medusa, Sirens, and Scylla. Medusa is very famous, you can say, because she instead of hair she was having snakes, and any if she's anyone that became stones. And Sirens was also the same, but she was a beauteous person in the world. It was named in the books, but she was a pranker that she attracts sailors by her beauty and made them to rocks. And Greya, it was shown in the movie Percy Jackson, the Lightning Thief only, where the three witches were driving the cars, sharing one eye and a tooth. And you can say Iris the Rainbow, Hapras, Food Stealer. All this were also demons like all Cerberus, Hydra, and all. And after that, the primordial ended with this, and Gaia and Uranus. The story start left with this both only. So Uranus and Gaia, what they did when the Hecatoncheires was born with Gaia, Mother Earth, then Uranus forced Hecatoncheires to go back in Gaia's mother, and because of that, Gaia suffered a lot of pain. So Gaia, the eldest son of the Cronus, she Gaia gave him an axe type of thing, and told Cronus to defeat Uranus, because she suffered a lot of pain because of Hecatoncheires. And Uranus was also so bad that he takes Cyclops, Gigantes, and Uranus, Melia to a jail, you can say jail type of thing, from where they cannot even come back. So when Cronus defeated Uranus, the this full primordial ends up here, and when Titans began, Cronus, when Uranus was dying, then he told Cronus that one of your son will also kill you, and so that after that, Cronus got scared, and he married with her sister named Rhea, goddess of fertility, and he was a god of harvest. And first we'll go with all the titans. So Crius, the god of constellation, and Hypertion, the god of light. Then Thea, the goddess of affliction, and Thetis, the goddess, she was the goddess of river, and Oceanus, the god of ocean. And in this side, Themis, the goddess of law, and Asia, the ocean land. I have given in this color because he was the son of Pontus, so I can't make a sign over there. So he was the son of Pontus, Asia, and Iphitus, the mortal Aegis, and Memoracene, she was the goddess of memory, and Coeus, the god of access, and Pauline, the moon god. So how Uranus was defeated, that also Coeus was taken the lead at the east, and the next god, which is Cronus, he was in the mid, and Crius was in the west, and Hypertion was in the south, and Like that, they defeated Uranus. And after that, when Cronus got scared that his son will kill himself, then when the son would born, then he would swallow or eat his son only, so that no son could escape, and after growing they can come and kill Cronus back. So after that, Cronus started eating his sons. But one day, Rhea, the goddess of fertility, when Zeus was born, she escaped Zeus with the help of a bird, I guess, and she gave a rock instead of Zeus. And Cronus was so big, the Titans were so big that they don't even know how what is the size of his son and all. So he eat it because he eat it 5 sons before only. So how he would check the sixth son before eating. So when he eat it, he thought he eat it Zeus, and after when Zeus grown up, he came back and defeated Cronus. And Zeus defeated Cronus with the help of Cyclops, Gigantes, and Melia, as Uranus had taken them to the jail, I guess, and Zeus broke that jail and made a team up with them and defeated Cronus, and like that Titans end up there. And after this, the goddess of constellation and the god of light gives birth to Sonus. Sonus and Lunus means the god of sun and the god of moon. So after that, Titans end up here, and in this the god were not known after that much, because he was a god, the spear god, you can say. It is not that spear, but it's the spear of the globe, you can say. And it is also said in the picture that it is shown like he is handling a spear on his head. And Prothemenus, the Greek god, the creator of man, he was the creator of man. And Epithamus, the god of hindsight. And Pandora, the first woman, she is very known because she was the first woman on the earth. And Prometheus also known because he was the creator of the man. After that, the ending part, Olympians, they consist of 6 gods: Poseidon, Demeter, Zeus, Hera, Hades, and Vesta. Before going to that, also Nereus was present in between Titans and Olympus. He was the last son of Pontus and Thalassa, and he's also known as the old man of the sea. And after that, Saida was the son of Phocrus and Ceto. He was the smallest one. And Poseidon and Poseidon and Saida, the goddess of sea, married with each other and gave birth to a child named Tetron, messenger of the sea, means he was a messenger of the sea. And Demeter, the goddess of harvest, and Zeus, the god of sky and thunder, they both married with each other and give two daughters: Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and Theophane, the goddess of underworld. First, Theophane was the goddess of spring, but when Hades, the Zeus' brother Hades kidnapped Theophane because Hades loved her, then she became the goddess of the underworld. After that, Athena, goddess of wisdom, her demigod daughter, Annabeth, was also shown in the movie Percy Jackson Part 1 and 2. And Zeus also married Hera, the goddess of women. She was the main goddess of all, the female god. And they both gave birth to Hera, the youth god, and Ares, the god of war, Hephaestus, the fire god, and Aphrodite, the love goddess. Aphrodite, the love goddess; Hephaestus, the fire god. Fire god is also known as Vulcan. And Hades have only 3 child with Vesta, the goddess of hell, and he was the god of underworld. He was the last god of underworld, and he married with Vesta and gave child Hermes, the messenger, Apollo, the medicine god, and Artemis, the moon god. After that, Aphrodite also give birth to a god which name is Adonis. So guys, our video is ended up here, and keep watching my video and also subscribe RoboZozo. Thank you.